tattoo kit comes in a pretty nice box here. Let's open it up. Looks like we have some paper, a sheet of silicone, decent cord with pedal, ink caps, adhesive wrap, pair of black gloves. Well, that's nice. Could use some of these. And cover for the pen as well. That's nice. Lock our box. And there's the machine. That's perfectly fine, especially for a new kit, a beginner kit. You want to have the cord for the machine, the RCA cable, and we've got a couple rubber bands and some springs here. Ah, look at this. Inside the tattoo kit, they include 2 boxes of needles. Let's see what kind of needles are in here. Of course, these are cartridges. And this is a 7 mag, looks like 12 gauge 7 mag, and a 12 gauge 5 round liner pack. All right, so there is the power supply for the little tattoo kit here from Yuelong. Looks pretty decent. Okay, looks like we got everything. Let's set it up. Decently sized cartridge here. Some pretty thick plastic on it, actually. Nice big aeration in the hole there. I do like that. Yeah, nice easy pedal to press. Let's see if we can get that constant mode going. The silicone that they give you is a little nicer than the average silicone that I've tried on Amazon, so that's nice. It definitely has a slightly softer feel to it. Just gonna try doing a little shading. Okay, let's try an actual picture or something. A leaf. This is a great starter kit. You can't really beat it for the price. It's 120 bucks. You get all of these great things to practice your skills. I will say the stipple shading on this thing is amazing. I tried lining on this thing, I tried shading on this thing, I tried stipple shading, and I tried black packing with the mag. That was really fun, Yuelong. I think this is a wonderful kit, especially for beginners who are looking for a great kit under a budget. You get this great corded machine that has a lot of kick to it. It shades beautifully. I love the stippling on this thing.